Welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today we will be taking a look at some sleep remedies from Apothecary Cocktails. I have two recipes to show you and they are both remedies for sleepless nights. We have a Rum Toddy, which is a known warming restorative and a great cure for sleeplessness. This version also helps relieve anxiety. We also have a Herbal Sleep Punch, which is both relaxing and anti-inflammatory. This remedy is served cold, so it is a great option for getting restful sleep in hot weather. So without further ado, let's start crafting our remedies. So let's start with the Rum Toddy. For this drink, we have dark rum. I only have spiced rum, but this is the coolest bottle ever, so I'm going to use it. We have black tea. I will brew these tea leaves later. 1 lemon, angostura bitter, and honey. So first prepare your hot tea. I'm using 2 teaspoons of black tea with 2 ounces of water. You can also use tea bags. Steep your tea for 5 minutes and then discard the tea leaves. Add in 3 ounces of rum and the juice of 1 lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of honey or more if you like it sweeter. And lastly, add a few dashes of angostura bitters. Drink as is or transfer to a new cup with a lemon slice. Next, let's craft our Herbal Sleep Punch. You will need chamomile, lavender, and fennel. We also have 1 lime, honey simple syrup, which is just half honey and half water, botanical gin, and some ice. First, combine about 1 teaspoon each of chamomile, lavender, and fennel in a tea bag. You can also find these herbs sold as herbal tea bags in stores. Now steep your tea in 5 ounces of water for at least an hour. You might want to do this ahead of time. When it's cool, pack a tall glass with ice. Pour in your tea as well as the juice of 1 lime. Add some honey syrup to taste. And lastly, add in 3 ounces of gin. Stir to combine and you are done. And ta-da! Your sleep remedies are complete. Now it's taste test time. Oh, it's really strong. Okay, yeah, I like this. I'm gonna say now though that you definitely don't need to put a whole lemon in this drink because it's pretty sour, but if it wasn't this sour, I think it would be pretty good. I really like honey lemon tea, and I also like rum, so the combination is pretty good. Yeah, I can imagine myself drinking this cuddled up in bed with a nice book. So if you're sensitive to caffeine, feel free to substitute your tea with decaf tea. Getting kind of sleepy already. Okay, now I'm gonna try this Herbal Tea Punch. Okay, I like that. Okay, so it has a lot of fennel flavor in this one. I could have probably added a little less fennel and more of the other herbs or whatever you like the flavor of. I think if I were to make this again, I would add a bit more honey to it, but it's not bad. I think this is a good amount of sugar already. I don't know if I can drink this whole glass before bed because I would be running to the washroom the whole time, but it is very refreshing. This is actually a really big drink, so if anything, I would maybe even just have the recipe or just share it with someone. I do feel sleepier now, but it might just be the alcohol. But regardless, it works, so there you go. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I think I'm ready to pass out. And as always, if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And until next week, class is dismissed. Stay magical!